I don't think this is gonna work. I look like a ghost. Welcome, hello, I am Tom. You probably all know me from... It's time to do another bloke review. That's the noise in the background is a coffee machine. I'm currently in America, I'm in Houston, Texas, and I've got some classic products to do today. So look, it's Movember, so I'm gonna keep this, but I need a shave. So I thought I'd go and review some new shaving stuff, and we're going classic today. This is classic, old school. We've got the Barbasol Original. After that, we've got the Aftershave Lotion, Pinaud. And then I'm gonna go for Clubman. And I'm also gonna be reviewing a nice disposable razor, the Blade 2 Sensitive. I'm not sure if I've got sensitive skin, but these products are gonna be testing it. And as you can see, I've been using this Vichy stuff. I'm still using it, it's going very well. I'm enjoying it. Getting things ready, I'm gonna open this and let's do like a first impressions. First impressions, looks nice. Oh, look, it's got some stuff on the back, in the middle. Clubman Aftershave Lotion, cools, exhilarates, soothes tender skin. Remember, my skin is tender. And it's got the original Clubman fragrance, whatever the hell that is. Let's open it. How do I open it? There you go. New, improved bottle. Impossible to get into. There we go, I'm in. First impressions count. Oh, got it in my nose. That smells amazing. That's like a classic barbershop smell. Oh, it's like minty. What's that one? Something rum. Beach rum. Caribbean rum. I'm sure there's a fragrance called something rum. Anyway, this is that. It smells like a barbershop. That's delicious. I can't wait to put that on. What's the talcum powder gonna be like? Now, some barbers would say that you shouldn't talcum powder after shave, and I say, fuck that, I'm doing it. It smells just the same as that other stuff. Real classic. I love the classic smells. Oh, it's basically, I'm double layering. This is what you want to do in fragrance, you want to double layer. That's first impressions of the razor. Easy open packet. Nice colour, matches that. Slides off easily. It's got 2 blades. Doesn't smell of anything, nor should it. It's plastic. Finally, Barbasol. I'm not going to smell this yet because it's going to go everywhere. It's from Jurassic Park. You remember that? All right, the water is done. I'm going to put this towel in the sink, like that. I'm going to give myself a hot towel before. I'm going to give myself the full barbershop treatment. I'm going to talk to myself like a barber, be the barber, be the barber. You know, it can be quite painful shaving. I don't know if you've ever shaved before. I'm assuming you have if you're watching this video. This should help loosen up the pores, soften the hairs, anything else. All right, okay, before I start shaving, I'm just going to quickly pose for the camera. Pinaud. It's fucking hard. Like that. Ooh. Okay, right, that's enough posing. I think I've got the, what do you call it? The cover picture on it. The thumbnail, I've got the thumbnail now. Okay, so let's test the water. The water's hot. Right, time to hot towel. We just hot towel like this. It's not really hot enough. It's not really hot enough, to be honest. I don't think this is gonna work. All right, screw the hot towel, it wasn't hot enough. Next thing, Barbasol. Barbasol's been an American standard and tradition in shaving for over 100 years. Oh no, for 100 years. Its thick and rich formula has been trusted by generations of men for a close, comfortable shave. Okay, let's go. Shake can hold upright. Press top to release lather, obviously. So, oh. Now that's a classic smell if I ever smelt one. It's kind of like mentholy. We are good to go. I'm gonna go low down on the neck. I'm gonna shave all the way around. Ooh, this is a nice comfy one. Okay, on the soft hairs around my cheek, I'm not very hairy. I've not got many hairs. The razor just glides over them like I've not even got any hairs at all. Let's try the medium hairs on this little bit of a bottom lip job. See in there? Oh, no trouble at all. Like a knife through butter. It would handle my mustache without any issues at all, I think. You know, with these razors, they're okay because, like, you know, you can travel with them. Oh, I think I might have cut myself. Oh yeah, we got a cut. Houston. Hey, I'm in Houston. Houston, we have a cut. That's quite painful as far as shaving cuts go. Usually you don't feel them, but that is a nick. That's one negative point for this razor. I don't think it's got anything to do with the Barbasol. I think it's also me, I'm not being very careful. Just shave right down there, get that neck beard. Alright, I just realised then that I've been, the sound level has been off on the microphone, so you probably haven't heard me very well, but anyway, it's gotten better now. So that cut is bleeding. It's the danger of shaving, kids. Oh, I've got a couple of cuts. These are quite, you got to be quite careful with this. Oh, that's sharp. I'm not exactly excited to be using that aftershave now. Okay, so I'd say that razor was quite sharp, effective, since it's given me quite a few cuts. How clean is it? It's actually quite a clean shave, quite a close shave. Number of cuts there, quite high, much more than I'm usually used to. In fact, I hardly get any cuts usually. Bit of a fail on that side, but it wasn't painful. The general use of the razor, that was a positive. Next thing, so this could be quite painful. Aftershave lotion. Well, I've just shaved. This is after I've shaved. This will probably close up the pores, stop the bleeding. Be just generous with that. It's all over. Oh yeah, it's sharp. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it smells good. It's like a grapefruit almost. Grapefruit and doctors, or I don't know. There's just something about it, so I love it. Okay, that's that. And now this. I've never put talcum powder on my face before. So the barber usually puts it onto his hand and rubs it on the face. So again, this should help block up those pores. So I'm not sure how much to apply. I've got that much on there. Okay, super dry. I feel like I'm gonna have to moisturize after this. And it's I look like a ghost. Like the ghost of Charlie Chaplin. This mustache. Wow, this is a good time to use the new, I think maybe I should moisturize. Fucking, I'm bleeding everywhere. It's blood, boys. I think this calls for. This is how Dad did it. Here we go. Let's moisturize while I'm here. I'm still using this and I actually quite like it a lot. I've not taken the face wash with me because of when I travel. It's over 100 mils, so not so great. Oh, that's my alarm going off. Now that is one fresh face. Now that I'm walking around like Patches O'Houlihan over here, I don't know, Mr. Shaving Injury, what would I give this out of 10? So let's start with the Barbasol. Great, loved it. I mean, it's a classic. I mean, well, it's gotta be a 10. I don't like shaving cream. It smells good, it feels good, it works. This, I mean, I'm just being biased here because I love this stuff. So again, another 10. Why not? Fuck it, 10. Let's be generous. What about the Clubman? I'm gonna go for 7. I don't really use it. It made my face quite dry. Razor. Here we are. What would I say about this? Probably like it started out as a high 7. It was good. It was a good razor. It started out quite high, but since it chopped my face up, then I'd take it down to a 4. But yeah, maybe a bit less for that. So, but still quite good. It's very sharp. It goes down well. But yes, it is quite deadly. So be careful, kids. There we go. Thanks. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you want me to review anything, got any ideas for me, DM me, send me it, like leave a comment. If you like it, subscribe. You know what you do, smash that subscribe button, fucking smash it. Cut the subscribe button like a razor, make it bleed like my face. Yeah, catch you later.